How to log out on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log out on Twitter app. Now to do so is quite simple. If you open up the Twitter app here, you'll get an interface like this. Now to log out of your account, what you'll need to do is first tap on the profile icon that you will find at the top left corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, you'll find the option Settings and Support. Simply tap on Settings and Support that you will find at the bottom left corner of your screen and head into Settings and Privacy. And here, what you need to do is head into your account option. Now, once on your account, you can see you'll get 4 different options here: account information, change your password, download and archive your data, and deactivate account. What you want to do is head into the first option, account information, and once you head onto it, at the end of options, at the end of list of options, you'll be able to find logout. Simply tap on logout and it'll ask you for confirmation to log out, and once you tap on logout, your account will get logged out. So this way you can log out on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.